Hello my lovely friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So this is 24 shades watercolor pencil with pen brush by Faber Castell. So actually I have already done many drawings and paintings with this, but I thought of making a review so that you can learn the color better. Let's see what are the colors. And see, there is one paintbrush to apply water on your paintings. It's a smooth bristle, and these are the shades of blue. You can see I have taken out 4 shades out of the box, and see what are the effects on paper. Actually, I am scribbling twice so that I can show you the difference between using water and without using water. Now let's apply some water. Look, it's very pretty. You can also spread it more than the area. Yeah, this feels good actually when the color mixes up with the water and starts spreading. It looks very pretty. I love that. So see, you can see the difference. You can also use it just like pencil colors, but using water the real color effects come out. And these are the 4 shades. You can see this looks very good, and blue is very much required if you are doing sky or sea or nature painting. I think blue is very much required, and I love blue. Now these are the shades of green and yellow. Actually yellow is also a hue of green, you can say. So green is also my favorite because it looks very lively, very happy and positive thinking we can associate with green. So I love green. Now also we can mix yellow and green. Once you use, you get habituated to it, and it feels very good. I love this color actually. Yes, I love this. And the 24 sets are so many sets comes within that. I think that's sufficient for your watercolor painting, landscape painting, flower painting. So I hope you enjoy, and please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.